Hello friends, welcome to the channel DUDER Academy. In this video, I have included the question paper discussion, that is Kerala PSC Staff Nurse Grade 2 Insurance Medical Service Examination. And this is the part 5 of the question paper discussion. I have already uploaded videos, that is part 1 to 4, and you can watch that videos also. So let me start. The first question is, in Lowett scale of muscle strength assessment, grade 3 FAIR indicates options: active movement against full resistance, active movement on flat surface, flicker or trace of contraction, active movement against gravity. Here the correct answer is active movement against gravity. So what is Lowett scale? It is a scale of muscle strength assessment, or it is for grading the muscle strength. So here grade 0 means no movement is observed. That is no evidence of contractility. Then grade 1 means slight contractility but no movement. Then grade 2 means poor, that is full range of motion and gravity is eliminated. Then grade 3 means fair, that indicates full range of motion with gravity. Full range of motion with gravity is grade 3. Then grade 4 means full range of motion against gravity but some resistance. And grade 5 is full range of motion against gravity and full resistance. So here grade 3 indicates active movement against gravity. That is, muscle strength is further reduced such that the joint can be moved only against gravity with the examiner's resistance completely removed. The next question, which hormone deficiency causes anemia among patients with renal failure? Options are erythropoietin, aldosterone, renin, antidiuretic hormone. Which hormone deficiency causes anemia among patients with renal failure? Correct answer is erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is a hormone that signals the bone marrow to make the red blood cells. Erythropoietin deficiency causes anemia among patients with renal failure. That is, when the kidneys are damaged, they produce less erythropoietin. That is a hormone that signals the bone marrow to make red blood cells, and hence it may cause anemia. Then third question, desmopressin acetate is prescribed for the treatment of diabetes insipidus. Which among the following indicate client's therapeutic response to the treatment? Options are decreased blood pressure, urine output reduces, normal blood glucose level, decrease peripheral edema. The correct answer here is urine output reduces. So desmopressin acetate is prescribed for the treatment of diabetes mellitus, and this medication replaces the missing antidiuretic hormone, and thus it decreases the urination. So here the urine output is reduced by using this medication. The next question, what is the other name for Whipple's procedure? Options are gastrojejunostomy, gastroduodenostomy, pancreatoduodenectomy, cholangiopancreatography. Correct answer is pancreatoduodenectomy. Pancreatoduodenectomy is Whipple's procedure. It is an operation to remove the head of pancreas, duodenum, gallbladder and the bile duct. It is the primary surgical treatment for pancreatic cancer that occurs within the head of the gland. It is the primary surgical treatment for pancreatic cancer. Next question, which among the following is the most reliable cardiac isoenzyme used for the diagnosis of myocardial infarction? Options are AST, troponin, T&I, myoglobin, CKMM. Correct answer is troponin, T&I. The most reliable cardiac isoenzymes used to diagnose MI is troponin T and I. Troponin is a protein found in myocardial cells that regulate the myocardial contractile process. There are three isomers of troponin, that is C, I and T. Among these, troponin I and T are specific for cardiac muscle, and these biomarkers are currently recognized as reliable and critical markers of myocardial injury. Next question, in a patient on mechanical prosthetic mitral heart valve, the recommended INR for anticoagulation therapy with warfarin is. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 3. A target INR range of 2.5 to 3.5 is the current recommendation in patients who have undergone mechanical mitral valve replacement. So here the correct answer is 3. Next question, the most preferred site for intramuscular injection in children is. Options ventrogluteal, vastus lateralis, deltoid, dorsogluteal. Here the correct answer is vastus lateralis. So for children, that is younger than 3 years of age, vastus lateralis is the most preferred site for IM injection because it is free of nerves and blood vessels, and this muscle is a thick muscle located on anterior lateral thigh. That is, it is the largest muscle mass in this age group. So vastus lateralis is the most preferred site for IM injection in children. Down syndrome is characterized by. Options trisomy 18, trisomy 13, trisomy 21, trisomy 81. Here the correct answer is trisomy 21. Down syndrome is characterized by trisomy 21. The stage which is also known as ugly duckling stage is. Options school age, toddler, infancy, preschool age. The stage which is also known as ugly duckling stage. Correct answer here is school age. School age is also known as the ugly duckling stage because the malocclusion is seen in the maxillary central incisor region between the age of 8 to 9 years. That is in this stage we can see large space in middle between the two upper incisors of the teeth in school age children. So it occurs due to the pressure from adjacent erupting the teeth. Adjacent teeth which are erupting may cause pressure, and it occurs due to these pressures. And this condition corrects itself after the canines have erupted. So this will give an unaesthetic appearance of child during this stage. That is why it is known as ugly duckling stage. And this stage correct on its own, and it does not require any orthodontic interventions. So here the stage which is also known as ugly duckling stage is school age because it occurs between 8 to 9 years old. Wasted appearance with old man look is typical in. Options are kwashiorkor, anemia, nephritis, marasmus. Correct answer here is marasmus. So in marasmus there is obvious muscle wasting seen, and that may give the appearance of old man look. In kwashiorkor, though there is muscle wasting, it is hidden by edema. So here the wasted appearance with old man look is seen in marasmus. So here the wasted appearance with old man look is seen in marasmus. The next question, a child is prescribed with oral paracetamol 550 mg. The drug is available as a syrup containing 250 mg in 5 ml. Calculate the required amount. Options given are 13 ml, 11 ml, 10.5 ml, 9 ml. Correct answer here is 11 ml. So here the basic dosage calculation equation is applied, that is desired dose divided by amount on hand into volume. Desired dose by amount on hand into volume is equal to the dose. So here 550 divided by 250 into 5 ml. The answer is 11 ml. The next question. The voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness is. Options are repression, regression, suppression, sublimation. The voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness. Correct answer here is suppression. So suppression is the voluntary blocking of the distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness. Then what is repression? Repression is the unconscious effort or unconsciously excluding from the conscious awareness of anxiety provoking ideas, and it is a primary defense mechanism. Then regression is the unconscious return to an earlier and more comfortable developmental level, that is regression. Sublimation means draining of the unwanted energy into socially acceptable channel. Draining of unwanted energy into socially acceptable channel is known as sublimation. So here the voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness is known as suppression. National Mental Health Program was launched by Government of India in options 1981, 1985, 1990, 1982. Correct answer is 1982. National Mental Health Program was launched by Government of India in 1982. The next question. The inability to recognize or describe one's emotions or mood is. Options alexithymia, anhedonia, apathy, autism. Correct answer is alexithymia. Alexithymia is the inability to recognize or describe one's emotions or mood. That is, it's a problems with the feeling emotions. Then what is anhedonia? It is the inability to feel pleasure in normally pleasurable activities. It is the inability to feel pleasure in normally pleasurable activities. And apathy means it is a lack of interest, enthusiasm or concern. Lack of interest, enthusiasm is known as apathy. And autism is the serious developmental disorder that impairs the ability to communicate and interact. It is a developmental disorder that impairs the ability to communicate and interact. So here the inability to recognize or describe one's emotions or mood is alexithymia. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked this video. Also share this to your friends.